That's dog training. See, I've just... Yeah, right. I'll have to do a search on this to find out how to connect. Oh, new Amazon S3 account from the drop-down window. Right, and then you put in your display name. So you put Mark, access key, security key, and then use SSL. Well, I don't think I've used SSL because you can do it afterwards. But basically what happens then when you connect, like I've got, these are your buckets, right? You don't give any privileges to that. And then like graphics, I've got, click on that, and then I create a new folder. So then I would say, all right, if it's Content Samurai, so you double click on that and you'd upload, you'd find your computer on the left and you'd just say copy and it would move them over. Now, once they're over here, you've got to right click on them and there's a thing called ACL settings. And see how that's ticked, that box here? That will be unticked by default, which means if you were to just go and grab the link and put it in your page, nobody would see it. See how it's got read? So you're protecting it. So you've got admin can do everything up here, but your visitors can only read it. So they can see the image. So you click that and then click save, right? And then to get your URL, you just right click it on it again, go to web URL. There it is. You can go up and change it to HTTP, copy, close, go to another browser. Well, you don't have to go to another browser, you just paste it in wherever you want to put it in your blog. And that's how easy it is. Yeah. Yeah, so instead of it just showing images, something PNG, you just grab that. The way I do it, like I've just done one just now, I'll show you how I've done it. And you can do this, well, no, you're doing HTML, so that's right. No, that's right. It's just that, like this one's got Amazon link in it. You won't see it now because it's in draft mode, but if I preview that, and that's the Amazon link. Yeah, that's was a folder there. No. Look, there's your bucket when you first come in. I've got graphics, I've got Northern Art, I've got video series. I click on the video series. These are all my videos. Go down. This is what I'm saying. I've got hundreds and hundreds of videos on here. And it costs me about $3 a month. Well, you don't, because this puts it doesn't matter if you create your graphics. So if you create a graphics bucket, right? So Mark's graphics, it'll be a bucket. And you'll click on that, and whatever program you're promoting, let's say you're promoting Content Samurai, you'd go up here, because you don't want all your images in one folder. So you would create a folder like I've got here. I've got affiliate marketing, ad tracking, affiliate Titan, ClickBank University. So all these images in here are to do with ClickBank University. And then when you, let me finish. When you right click on it, web URL, look at the URL, Amazon S3, Bill's Graphics, ClickBank University, how to make ClickBank profits online PNG. So you would just put that in where you want the image. Well, I just did one with you. Copy to clipboard. If you want to view it, just get the link, copy it, go to your browser, paste it in. Well, it's not like opening it. Well, if you want to see how it looks, all you do is you match this folder up with the one. So if these are on your ClickBank, you'd go to your ClickBank folder where you uploaded them from, and then you just go and view them on your computer. Because when you open your images here, if that folder is matching this folder, you're going to have the same name. So you just go to that folder and have a look. Yeah. Well, no, what you would do, if you've got, let me show you a page. Am I still sharing? All right, let's say you were doing this one here. All right, so this is like the PLR one we looked at yesterday. It's got all the images, right? Okay, all right, let me just get back to it. If I can find it. That's it. Right, so you know these are images. All right, so if you're not going to change them, if you were just going to leave them like they are, it'd make it easy to change. So then you'd go to your Cloudberry Explorer. And let's say this one's for Aweber. So you'd go back to your graphics, Mark's Graphics. You'd create a folder called Aweber, if that was the name of it. Then you would open it. Then you go over here, find that folder. Let me show you. Let me find it. This is my computer, so I go down to where are we? Pictures and videos. All right, so go down here. I go to locate the PLL experts. And that was, we're talking about that. And front-end website, sales letter and graphics, sales page. Right, so there's the index that we looked at. These are the images. So then you just go like that, highlight them all, and copy. Right, so now they're all in a folder. Oh, well, let me do it as a demo. Let me do a demo folder. Have I got one for Aweber? Oh, I've got one for Aweber. All right, so this is the actual one. All right, so then I just copy them over there. and then because the actual name of the file is the same, you haven't changed the name of the file, you would then just go to web URL, right, and see how you've got the auto engagement with, so you'd copy this bit from there, because every image is going to be the same up to this point. These are just the images that you've just copied over. As long as you don't change the name, don't change the folder. And then you would go to your index page. Right, open it with Notepad or whatever you can do it with. And then you'd go up here, edit, replace, and you would find, sorry? Did I? Well, so you go edit or file, edit, replace. And then you would find, let's go down and see how it's structured here. It's in one, right, see how you got images? Just have a look at that one again. What's the web URL? Yeah, so you go and you would copy that, because it's going to be all the same for that folder. And what you would do, you'd copy that, you'd go copy, replace that part, because it's not going to be called images anymore, right, because you've uploaded them into a folder called images, and you're going to replace it with this part, right? We'll have to do a live demo and I'll show you. All right, so then when you replace it all, that will then become with the URL in there. So it'll be https:// Marks Graphics Aweber instead of images, logo PNG. And then it'll go down and there'll be another image there, look. Oh no, it's not. Pics. There's got to be another image here somewhere. Image SRA, images, divide button. See that, and once you replace it, that will replace everything in there that's got images / with this link. So we might set a test one up once you've got your account connected, and we'll run through it and we'll do a demo on one. I don't think I've got it. I know I can connect to your account. I don't know which one it is. Well, copy, external bucket search. It's a long time since I've created an account, because it's just, I've had this for years and years and it's never stuffed up, and it's just so easy to. Well, that's it. It's the same with videos because Amazon is so fat. I think Netflix uses it, Amazon. Or so I thought. I think I heard that somewhere once. Look at the amount of videos I've got on here, and I'm just, these aren't all of them. I've got 2 folders like this. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos. Sorry? I've got my computer, but images, videos. Yeah, images and videos mainly. Yeah, but this is, don't forget, this is a storage site. It's not a web hosting site. No. That's what I said. If you, well, it's not just possible. It's just as easy as going to your computer. You work with your computer, and then when you've got them right on your computer, you upload them to Amazon S3. It's not that you're uploading them to Amazon and then saying, right, I want that one to be a bit smaller. How do I change it? What size is it? Do it on your computer the same as you would, and when you've got them right, you know they're right, and you haven't got to go to Amazon and say what size is that image because you've done it before you've uploaded it. And it's only the same as uploading it to WordPress. If you had a WordPress blog and said, all right, I'm going to upload that image, you can't go to your media library. Well, you can in WordPress, but you know, if you were doing it anywhere else, a folder on your web hosting, you'd still have the same problem. You won't be able to go and view them. You start putting all those images, just uploading them via WordPress, and it'll slow your system down because you can have hundreds and hundreds of images all in the same folder. And when you go to say, right, go and get this image from my media library in WordPress, you know, eventually it's got to go through 1,000 images